to develop a beautiful dragon. Poof! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Help, help, somebody help me. Hi, I'm from the World of Puppetry Museum. It's part of the Fine Arts Center in Brigham City, Utah, and we like to make puppets. We want to share with you today a puppet making project that we've been using. We call it our talking craft stick puppets. They're much like my little wizard here. Their mouths move and they talk. That's right, I talk. And they're just fun to play with and easy to make. The hardest part is maybe putting the two craft sticks together in a way that makes them easy to function. So that's what I want to show you. We've taken two craft sticks. We used to call them tongue blades, but now they're craft sticks. And we've taken a piece of fun foam and measured it so that it can be held behind there and wrapped securely around like this. And that's going to be our actual foam wrap puppet control. What I want to do is put glue on the inside of this piece of foam. I'm going to lay one of my sticks down on top of that in the middle. We find that our puppets work best if this top piece is on the short side. We've made them different sizes. We've used different widths of bands, but this seems to be the best. We'll put a second craft stick on top of that. We'll fold one piece down and we'll put a little bit of glue on the piece. And it's a little hard to hold in place, but this is the absolute hardest part of this puppet, because once we have those two wrapped together, we can hold them together and let them dry for a second. Then we are ready to start our puppet crafting. Sometimes it's a little confusing as how to use them, so what we have done often is to write front on the smooth piece, and then we turn them over, and on the part that has the glue wrapped together, we'll write back. On that back, you'll also want to put a piece of sandpaper to give you a little bit of grip or friction, so you have some friction there for moving your puppet sticks up and down. We're almost there. The next fun part is putting on a face and a body. Top of the head will go on the back stick. The chin and the body will go on the front of the stick. We've made several of them, so I'll show you this one again. Here he is. You can see as you look closer that his head is designed to be on the top, and then the bottom is the rest of his mouth and his little clown body or wizard body. If you want to be fancy, you can even decorate the back sides of them. We have several others that we've made, and your imagination is the only thing that's limiting you. We've made them out of pom-poms. We made ourselves a dragon, and we designed a different way to make the mouths so it had some three-dimensional quality to it. We've made animals like the frog, ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. I have another interesting character that is a mad scientist going to experiment with electricity. And of course, these are great puppets for storytelling. So we have the prince, that's me, and the princess, yes, that's me. Oh, my hero. I hope this was helpful. We have plastic eyeballs. We've got little things that we collect to make the eyes with. We use pom-poms. We've got all kinds of little pieces of trim that make them fun. And of course, our stash of fun foam and scraps, and even scraps of sandpaper that we've saved to cut up. That's our puppet project. We hope you've enjoyed this. We have more information for you on patterns and ideas on our website at www.bcfineartscenter.org. We also have a link directly to the page that will show you more of the puppet patterns. Thanks again for joining us. I hope this was fun and helpful to you. Happy puppeting.